We'll guide you through how to understand Vercel hosting pricing, so you can make informed decisions for your projects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard where you can see all your projects. Click on the project you're interested in to get more details. On the left-hand side, you'll find a menu. Scroll down and click on the Billing or Usage tab, depending on the current UI, as Vercel frequently updates its interface. Here, you will see an overview of your current usage and any costs incurred. Vercel offers multiple pricing tiers, so it's important to understand which one you are on. The pricing is generally based on the number of serverless functions, bandwidth, and the build minutes your project consumes. If you're on the hobby plan, which is free, you should see a breakdown of what the free tier includes. For the Pro or Enterprise plans, there are additional charges based on your usage. It's a good idea to compare your current usage against the limits provided in the plan details, so hover over the usage metrics to see detailed tooltips with more information. If you think you're going over your current plan, consider upgrading to avoid any unexpected charges. Vercel also provides analytics that show how your project is performing, which can help you decide if you need to adjust your plan. Remember, being proactive about monitoring your usage can save you money and help you manage your resources better. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.